We have done with the factorization method. Now we will go to completing the squares method. So in that, the first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. So here first we had to do divide by 2. In the completing the squares method, first we have to divide the equation with 2. So x square 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. What it will become? X square 2 and 2 get cancelled. So x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. And then next step is we have to take the coefficient of the b. Why we have to take the coefficient of only the b? To get in the form of a minus b whole square. So if we get in the a minus b whole square form, then we will easily find out the roots. So let us do b is equals to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Here what is the coefficient of the x? 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So 1 by 2 into coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2. So b is equals to plus into minus minus 7 by 4. B is equals to 7 by 4. Now, so what is the square of the b square? Now is b square is equals to 49 by 16. Now add and subtract b square is equals to 49 by 16. So x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. This is an equation newly formed. So we have to add and subtract x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 by 16 minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Here we are adding and subtracting. So this x square by x square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by, this is in the form of 7 by 4 whole square minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So say x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to, now take this 49 by 16 3 by 2 into the RHS side. So minus will become plus 3 by 2 will become minus 3 by 2. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square. Now take the LCM for the 16 and the 2. We will get the 16 as an LCM. Now do the cross multiplication. 49 24. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to 25 by 16. X minus 7 by 4. This square will goes to that side, means it will become square root. So square root of 25 by 16. X minus 7 by 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 16 is 4. So x is equals to 5 by 4. Minus 7 by 4 comes to this side, means it will become plus 7 by 4. X is equals to 7 plus 5 is 12 by 4. That goes to 4 ones are 4 3s. So x is equals to 3. We have got then x is equals to 3. When we take, why we get the x is equals to 3? And one more root is, we have taken here plus 5 by 4. Okay, now we will take then x is equals to 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. This is for plus 5 by 4. Here square root means we will get the two roots, plus or minus. So for plus 5 by 4 it is this one, minus 5 by 4 is this one. So x is equals to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So x is equals to, from 7 if you take out then 5 means 2 by 4. X is equals to 1 by 2. So we are getting x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2 as the roots. Given equation, first we have to divide by the 2. After dividing by the 2, we will get an equation like this. And after that one, we have to take only the b coefficient. Y means, so that the equation will come in the form of a minus b whole square form, or else a plus b in the whole square form. We will get in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square form. So b is equals to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here what? Minus 7 by 2. So 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 2. B is equals to minus 1 into 7 is minus 7 by 4. And after that we have to do the square of the B. So B square is equals to 49 by 16. Now add and subtract the B on both sides. On both sides means here only. So if we add and subtract, we will get the same equation only, plus 3 by 2. So it is in the form of, after it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. So now bring these remaining numbers to the LHS side. So a minus b whole square means x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to 49 by 60 minus 3 by 2. Take then LCM. After taking then LCM, we will get the one number it is. And this square will becomes to this side means square root it will become. If we take the square root means two roots will be there. That is plus and minus. So if we take then plus 5 by 4, we will get the answer like this. If we take the minus 5 by 4, we will get the answer this one. So finally 2 roots. Third method in this is quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula, what is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this question, a is 2, b is equals to minus 7, c is equals to 3. So now use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equals to minus b means minus of minus 7 because b is minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3 by 2 into 2. X is equals to minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square is 49. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24 by 4. X is equals to 7 plus or minus square root of, if we take out 49 from the 24, we will get 25 by 4. X is equals to 7 plus or minus root 25 is 5 by 4. So x is equals to 7 plus 5 by 4. One more is 7 minus 5 by 4. So x is equals to 12 by 4. X is equals to 2 by 4. X is equals to 3. X is equals to 1 by 2. So we will get x is equals to 3, 1 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Let us see the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots, here a is 2, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to 5. As in the discussion at the starting of the class, we have seen that nature of the roots means delta is equals to b square minus 4ac we have to do. So b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, b, c is 5. 9 minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40. So we are getting minus 31. So delta is equals to minus 31. That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means no real roots. Means the roots are imaginary. The second question, a is 3. B is equals to minus 4 root 3. C is equals to 4. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3, c is 4. Now 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3. Minus into minus plus. Minus 4 3 is 12. 12 4 is 48. So 16 3 is 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then the roots are, if the delta is equals to 0 means, then the roots are equal. So find out the delta now. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Here a is 2, b is minus 6, c is equals to 3. So b square minus 4ac, what it will become now? b is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3. 36 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. We are getting 12. So delta is equals to 12. That is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. We are getting greater than 0. 12 is greater than 0 only, no? So the roots are real and distinct. Real. So the roots are real. The next type of question is find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have equal roots. Equal roots means we know that the condition delta is equals to means delta means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. A is 2, b is equals to k, c is equals to 3. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. b is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equals to 0. K square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24 is equals to 0. K square is equals to 24. K is equals to root 24. So the value of the k is root 24. Now let us see the next question in this only. The question is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. So kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Multiply kx into x is kx square minus 2 into k is 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. A is k, b is minus 2k, c is 6. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Why it should be equals to 0? In the question they are telling equal roots. So b is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k, c is c is equals to 0. 2k square is 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k equals to 0. So 4k square is equals to 24k. K get cancelled. And means here 2 k's is there, no? 1k cancel. 4k is equals to 24. K is equals to 24 by 4. K is equals to 6. So the value of the k is 6. And one more thing here, 4k we have taken out the common, no? So k value 0 will be there. Why means this is a quadratic equation. 2 roots will be there. So k is equals to 0 and k is equals to 6. Here also k is equals to plus or minus 24. K is root 24 plus root 24 and k is equals to minus root 24. This type of the question, how to find the roots means x minus 1 by 3 equals to 3. So cross multiply x square minus, if you take out then LCM means x square minus x by x is equals to 3. So x square minus 1 is equals to 3x. X square 3x comes to this side means minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. A is 1, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to minus 1. We know that x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b means minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1 by 2 into 1. Substituting, I am substituting a, b, c values, that's it. Minus into minus plus or minus. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus into minus plus 4 by 2. So we will get 3 plus or minus square root of 13 by 2. So what we are getting here values, x is equals to 3 plus root 13 by 2 comma x is equals to 3 minus root 13 by 2 plus or minus, no? So 2 roots are we are getting here.